I recently created a video on how to use Blender cycles with an unsupported GPU, but it seems it didn't work well for many of you. I received comments such as "What's Python? Why doesn't it work for my graphics card? And even this is fake." So I decided to make a new video on this topic once more. To use Zluda, you need at least an AMD GPU from the Radeon RX 400 series or newer. This includes the RX 500 series, RX Vega series, and other modern GPUs supported by the ROCm framework. Older GPUs from the Radeon 300 series and earlier are not compatible with Zluda. Let's divide this video into 8 sections, which are: 1. Update AMD drivers. 2. Download Python. 3. Download Zluda. 4. Download Blender 4.0. 5. Install Python. 6. Install Blender 4.0. 7. Install Zluda. 8. Conduct a render test. The first step is to update your AMD drivers. Right-click on the desktop and select AMD software. If it's not available, use the Windows search bar and type in AMD software. Then, click on the settings icon and check for updates. If your driver is current, proceed to the next step. The second step is to install Python. If Python is already installed on your computer, you may skip this step. Visit the official Python website, click on Downloads, and then download the latest version of Python. The third step is to download Zluda. Search for Zluda GitHub and select the first search result. Navigate to Releases and under Assets, download Zluda 3 Windows.zip. The fourth step is to download Blender 4.0. This is necessary if you are following this guide. Visit the official Blender website and download Blender 4.0. Once you have downloaded all the necessary files, proceed to install the setups. When installing Python, ensure you select Add to Path. Proceed with the Blender setup installation. I won't be installing Blender again as it's already installed on my computer. Right-click on the Zluda zip file and select Extract. After opening the extracted folder, click on the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. Navigate to your Blender installation directory and copy the path. In the command prompt, enter Zluda.exe, paste the path to your Blender installation, add a backslash, and then type blender.exe. To verify if it is working, go to Edit, then Preferences, and finally System. Under CUDA, you should be able to see your AMD GPU. To show you, I've opened the Classroom blend file. Let's proceed to render it and observe the duration it takes to complete the process. As observed in the Task Manager, it is utilizing my GPU entirely for this render. The rendering is now complete, and as you can see, it took only 3 minutes and 18 seconds to finish. Hope you find a solution and like this video and subscribe to my channel.